Imagine yourself in this Kia 2021 Seltos S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 146 horsepower, 2.0L-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display and cruise control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.